In this quick tutorial, I will show you zoom tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. Zoom tool is located here. You can see this is zoom tool, which shortcut is G. Zoom in and out on an image. So before accessing this tool, I would like to show you, here is in the below, here is a percentage. This is also, you can zoom in and zoom out from here. Now it is 35.73%. If I make it 5% and press enter, you can see it is zoom out. Also, if I make it 50%, then you can see this is zoom in. So also you can zoom in and zoom out from here. So I am accessing this tool. You can see now and plus sign cursor has been appeared, and double click, it is zoom in, and if you hold on Alt and double click, this is zoom out. So you can zoom any place, just place the cursor here and it will zoom in and zoom out from here. If you make it right side, drag it to the right side, it will be zoom in, and in the left side it will be zoom out. So also if you hold down Ctrl from the keyboard and press plus sign, it will be zoom in, and also minus sign, it will be zoom out. Also another shortcut, hold down Alt from the keyboard and scroll down and up, it will be zoom in and zoom out. Also, if you in the view menu, you can see this is zoom in, Ctrl plus, zoom out, Ctrl minus, and fit on screen. If you press Ctrl plus 0, always it will be fit on screen, and also fit layers on screen. And if you want to make it 100%, then Ctrl plus 1 press from keyboard. So in this way you can zoom in and zoom out your canvas in Adobe Photoshop. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.